Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, an emergency fund is an important part of retirement planning. So Calvin, let's talk about that. Why do we need that emergency fund?
Well, life happens, Jen, whether it's an air conditioning repair, new car repair, something else changes in your life, medical expenses, or even if the stock market is down sharply over a period of time and you're already retired and you're drawing money out, you may not want to have to touch the portfolio and draw money out while it's going down. So having this emergency fund built, usually 6 to 12 months worth of cash on the sidelines. Some people even keep it at a separate bank where it's a little bit harder for them to go access so you don't get it for that spending urge that you might have, is critically important as part of an overall comprehensive written retirement income plan.
So it's important to have that emergency savings and that liquidity, but there's a lot more to having that comprehensive plan.
That's right. Tracking sources of income, Social Security, planning for a higher tax rate environment in the future. Those are all things that go into building that plan. And that's why we've created this retirement kit. And the centerpiece of that kit is the Retirement Roadmap book to give you tips on how to build that emergency cash savings account.
So let's talk a little bit about some of the things in that kit, because not only do we want to have that liquidity with our emergency savings, we want to think about income, taxes, all those resources, right?
Even unplanned medical expenses.
Yes, right.
Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, readdressing that overall plan and incorporating the tools that are in this kit will be valuable for you.
So important to learn about all the different risks and some of the tools to mitigate those risks. For more ways to get retirement ready, call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.